Hello, Harvesty here. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix an issues or problems with your Outlook app on your phone. So first thing that you want to do is go up to the Play Store, search bar, search, Outlook, look at our Outlook app here and check if you have the newest version of the app. If you have the newest version of the app, everything should be cool, but if you don't have, maybe you just need to update. But after updating the app, you still got some issues. I'm gonna show you two more ways how to fix it. So first way is go up to the settings, apps, see all, here, Finder, Outlook, go up here, permissions, and all not allowed. Maybe you just need to allow like this, allow everything like here. After this, go back here, mobile data and Wi-Fi, unrestricted data usage on. After this, there shouldn't be any issues, but if you still got some, I'm gonna show you last way. So last way is go up to the Play Store, uninstall the app, uninstall, and just reinstall it. After this, there shouldn't be any issues. If the video was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.